Alright, Steven, I want to see if this can blow off the car. If it does, then I challenge you, when it snows there, if it hasn't already, to do it with yours. Let's see. Come here. Just putting the ice and stuff, the same stuff they use for the roads on here. So let's see if this works. Oh, I'm thinking about it. Oh shit, I gotta push this up a little bit. Let's see. Wait till he passes by. Oh, not really. It's too frozen. Oh, wait. There you go. Hell yeah, Steel. Nice job. Okay, let me how much more of it I can get. Oh gosh. Let's go to the back. Whew. Alright. Oh shit, I gotta stand in this crap. Alright, here we go. Switch hands. This is getting heavy. Hold on a minute. Just a minute. Oh, that's awesome. It works. I like that. Okay, let's see. Awesome. I don't know, yours might be powerful than this though. But it has been sitting on there all day, so it does work. I'm debating on whether I do the cold start now or later though. So I'll keep you posted. Well, we'll see in a minute. But I gotta edit it anyway. Alright. First cold start of the year. Brownie. 07, oh, wrong key. 500. Just got back for the shop with it. Well, that's what happened to it. It needed a head gasket in it. Wasn't that bad to where it was running horrible. That's what it needed. So, let's do a cold start and see how it does. I waited till later on, so it got a little colder. Mom wanted to snow all of it, so figured I'd make it a little bit more better for a cold start when it got colder. So, now that it's colder, let's do the cold start. I guess I could leave the door open. But... oh, she locked the wheel. Damn it. Oh, shit. Hold on a minute. Okay.
matter. Good evening, I'm Dimitri.
Leave the door open so y'all can hear it for a change. All good there. Yeah, it's the cold cranking out to the battery there. Started right up though. Cool. Oh yeah, you can hear the oil circulating. Good grief. So now it has 131,000 miles on it. That's because we keep going back and forth to Carolina all the time. Good grief, that's the oil stick. It's still trying to get up there. My gosh, okay. Let's do this and this. How cold does this say it is outside? 19 degrees, but we know that isn't true. Said it's supposed to get down to 28. Cool. Well, no, I won't. I'll put it back up. Oh, gosh. Yep, so that's the update on it. Needed a head gasket, so that's done. Now, we'll finish cleaning it off with the snow brush I bought. Awesome. Catch y'all in another video.